Welcome to the infinity filter for hot tubs here. This is pretty much universal. We'll show you what it works, what it will replace and what it won't replace, but just so you get an idea. Top pops off, filter media pouch inside. You can rinse this off in the sink or spray it with your favorite filter cleaner and put it into dishwasher and put it back in. Snap the lid back on. Fully submerge it in water before actually connecting it to the bottom thread in the tub. So this will, if your filter has a bottom thread, whether it be like this one, same thing. This is called like an 1.5" fine thread, or MIP. It's a fine thread which is noticeably different than the coarse thread. So you can see the coarse thread's got a lot more space between it, the threads. Anyway, you got that. What it typically does not work for is, you see this has nothing but a straight through hole. The only exception that I've seen so far is like on a bullfrog, has like a little carriage assembly for the filters, and some of them, except for the ones with the new flat filters. But if it's got that assembly, then it's got this kind of a fitting on there, which you can adapt here, and it'll fit in just fine. In fact, when we first started developing these, we tested in Bullfrog Still 5. So anyway, you can adapt it to this. You know, got adapters for the coarse and fine threads, male and female. So there's one that here's the female version of that coarse thread, and in fact you can actually, there's one there, that's a female coarse thread. Here's a male coarse thread, and it will thread right into there. So what we basically have, we got, so your coarse 2-inch coarse thread, and I have an 1.5" coarse thread, male, and then we got the same thing in female. And then on the 1.5" MIP fine thread, you can also go to 2-inch fine thread. So that's it. Don't worry about so much the diameter. A lot of these are kind of a little bit different size, but if you got the fitting on the bottom, this will replace it. And here, this one's a little bit bigger. In fact, we had one jacuzzi, has a big round long one. It's actually over twice as long as this. This will hold up to 4 pounds of dirt. That one will hold approximately 3. So people ask how often do you need to clean these. I'd say the minimum would be every 3 months. I did have one, actually my daughter-in-law had left it in for almost a year, and told her she probably should clean it. So Anyway, these are very effective at filtering, super easy to clean, and or last a long time. You can also get replacement filter pouches if you lose one or something, but these things will typically last between 5 to 7 years, and the filter and the inside's guaranteed for a year. Tell me who else is going to guarantee a filter. Anyway, thanks and have a great day.